Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we're discussing with you MGM's credit card review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're heading to Las Vegas or stay at MGM Resorts often, they've completely changed the game by offering two distinct credit cards. Now, it really just comes down to how often you visit and how you like to travel. Now, the first option here is the standard card. Now, which has a flat $0 annual fee, and the absolute biggest win here is it gives you automatic Pearl status. Now, if you've been to the strip lately here, you know parking fees are brutal, but this card unlocks free self parking, saving you 20 to 30 bucks a day. So you also get to skip their long lines at hotel check-in and buffets while eating three times the points and tier credits on your MGM stays and dining. Now, if you are a true Vegas regular here, they have the premium version as well. So basically called the iconic card. So this one. So it carries a $249 annual fee, but it comes loaded with enough upfront perks to easily outvalue the cost. Now you get a $200 annual resort credit for dining or spa visits, and an airport priority pass for lounge access, and a statement credit for TSA pre-check or global entry. Now if you hit their annual spending goal here, they even toss in a free hotel night certificate worth up to $250. Now the main catch is that your rewards are locked tightly into the MGM ecosystem for things like room, comps, or slot play. So it isn't a flexible travel card. Also, the issuing bank can be surprisingly quirky with approvals, sometimes denying people with perfect credit who pay their balances instantly. But if you hit the strip once or twice a year, these cards are a total no-brainer to wipe out parking fees, score free meals, and skipping the lines. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.